Hey, what is up guys? My name is Talhan. You are watching Gadgets Sphere. So finally I'm back with another video of the Poco F4 and I'm using a Pixel Experience custom ROM. So this is one of the most popular custom ROMs for the Poco F4. So I wanted to tell you about the good things and about the bad things. So this is my first impression of the Pixel Experience Plus for the Poco F4. So you can just go in about phone, and here you guys can see this is the Pixel Experience Plus Munch Android 13 latest March build. So what are the things which are absolutely awesome and amazing, and what are the things which I don't like? So let's start off with the best things in this custom ROM. And the number one thing which I love about this custom ROM compared to the Pixel OS and other custom ROMs of the Poco F4 is the typing smoothness. Now you can basically type any word you want without any lag, which is absolutely awesome because in other custom ROMs you were basically unable to do that. So if I write this Talha is the best, there you go, without any error and with super nice. So this is very nice. They have fixed that lag where once you type a button and it takes a bit of time to type, so they have fixed that delay in typing, which is very nice because I always love that thing about the iPhones, that you can just type really fast and chat really fast. But now that is the same experience you're gonna get in this Google Pixel Experience Plus custom ROM. So one more thing which I really like, and that is the recorder. Now the recorder app, although the translations still don't work, but the fact that it can record audio which is very high quality is other settings. And once you are in the settings, you need to actually scroll down and go in microphone, and you can also tap on always use phone microphone. Just tap on it and there you go. So hey, what is up guys, it can actually recognize that you are speaking, but it isn't able to translate in real time. So that is one thing which I really don't like. But again, the audio quality is super awesome in this one, so I do give a big thumbs up in terms of recording. So now let's just move on to some of the most important stuff, and that is security and safety. So this Pixel ROM is actually in the latest Android batch of security, which is very nice because other ROMs which don't have the latest batch can actually get hacked very easily. So this is the February batch, which is basically like February and March, so just 1 month behind, which is absolutely fabulous. So I do like that. And one more thing which I like is the fingerprint scanner. It works absolutely 100% of the time, which is insanely awesome because even in MIUI it does miss a bit, but in this ROM, super awesome. We also have face unlock, so it can just see my face and there you go. Face unlock has a different animation, and then the fingerprint scanner has its own unique animation. So these animations really make your user experience even more enhanced. So now in terms of Google Photos, if I go, this does have that unlimited photos and videos backup at no extra cost, which is absolutely insane. A lot of Pixel smartphone custom ROMs don't have this unlimited backup, but we have that in this ROM, which is awesome. So now one more thing I want to talk about in this Pixel ROM is the Gcam support. Although it does not come pre-installed with a Google camera, but once you install this Google camera, which I have installed, you can take some pretty awesome shots. Like look at this, look at the level of detail of dust in my keyboard. Like look at this, this is the famous perfume which I bought from Dubai, one of my favorite ones. Then look at the level of detail in this shot. So if you really want to know which is the Google camera I'm using, or you want to know about the latest one with the config I'm using, you can just subscribe my channel and comment down below. I will make a video about it definitely, because now I'm back, I'm gonna make a lot of videos. You can just see the level of detail and the level of SDR. The overall enhanced image looks perfect. So this Google Experience ROM does support very nice quality of SDR, and the Gcam support is awesome. This one was a night shot, but still you can see, you can clearly even read voltage from here, so that is insane. So it does mean that Google camera support is very nice in this custom ROM, which is a thumbs up from me. So now let's just talk about one more important thing, and that is the lag in YouTube. So now once you scroll YouTube, you will see that this custom ROM has zero lag. Other ROMs which are not that great has a lot of lag in YouTube, but this Pixel Experience Plus has just fixed the lag, and now even YouTube works in 120 hertz all the time, which is very awesome. So yeah, I do like this thing about it. And then if you search here gadgets sphere, if you search gadgets sphere, you can open this video. The audio quality is actually very nice now, so you can just increase the audio from here, and the audio quality is insanely good. Let me show you. So this is the Poco F4, and I have been using it since a really long time. And one thing I found out for sure, that is screen guards which are of very cheap quality, like this one was 50 rupees, they break very easily. You guys can see a lot of things happen. I also have a major. So yeah, you may not be able to hear that clearly because I'm using a very nice lavalier microphone. So because of that, but overall, what I would say is it is super awesome. I love the audio quality in this Pixel room. So now let's just move on towards the additional settings. And here we have in display. One thing which I like about this is we have a very nice option which is called high touch polling rate. It basically means it increases the touch screen polling rate, which is basically the sensitivity. So it makes your screen even more smoother. So if you know, like, scroll Google, you will see that it is actually very very smooth. So that does make a bit bit of a difference, but not that big of a difference, but it does make a small difference. So now, as I already told you, this is the impressions video. I'm gonna do a lot of benchmarks and even the the speed test of the internet in my full review. So if you want that, make sure subscribe my channel for the full review of this Pixel Experience Plus. But that's pretty much it for today's video. Hope you like it. If you do, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.